Hey guys, it's Brooklyn. We're on our way to Dingmans Falls. This is one of the mini waterfalls on the trail. And now we're on our way to the main waterfall. Every time we go here, we have to leave our signatures. These are our signatures from the last time we were there. Now we're on our way back home to watch a movie and chill. This is Kylie's dog. Her name is Raven, and she's the cutest.
Twist the bones and bend the back.
Hey guys, it was my birthday on Sunday, so I'm gonna show you a haul of what I got. So I'm gonna start off with the stuff I got from Sephora. I got the Rare Beauty Fine Comfort Body and Hair Mist, and it smells so good. It has peach flower extract. This is what it looks like out of the packaging. I also got the Way Hair and Body Mist in St. Bart's. I don't know what this smells like, but it's so good. It smells like summer, and I really love this. I paired it with the Sol de Janeiro mist. I don't know which one I paired it with, but it smells so good. And then I got this as my free birthday gift. It's the Moroccan oil hair products, and it comes with hand cream also. So I got the hydrating shampoo, hydrating conditioner, Janeiro, the hand cream, and hair treatment. That's everything I got from Sephora. So now I'm gonna move on to my Savage X Fenty. So the first thing that I got from Savage X Fenty was this bodysuit. I think it's so cute. I would pair it with some ripped jeans or shorts, and I think it'll just look so cute. Next thing is this maxi dress. I tried everything on and they're so comfortable. This is so soft. And then I got the matching boy shorts and sports bra set. And here is the sports bra. I love this color. This is one of my favorite colors, and they're so soft. They fit really good. They're very supporting. Everything that I showed is very supporting in the chest area. And then I also got some gifts from my friend. She gave me a journal, and it's like traveling themed, but it has little quotes on it too. And it's so cute. I also got this. This is adorable. I love it. And then she got me this. I don't know if you could see it, but it's like really sparkly. And it's got crystals on the top. It's so cute. I'm gonna add this to my rock collection and crystal collection. That's all.